Okay. It's a community of artists and friends who come together to build something beautiful. And that's the story of Anisware Slams Philippines. So it's inception in back, yeah, during the pandemic. So thank you for those friends that we have and hopefully new friends that we have with you guys. Up next is another iconic piece by Mr. Norman Walker, Songs of the Wayfarer. We're showing an excerpt, a solo excerpt from the last part of songs, in which the character is in deep sorrow, and then his sorrow he fell asleep under the linden tree. So here's Earl John Arizona. I'm sorry, Earl John Arizona as Yaman in the Songs of the Wayfarer. So, sorry, before we start, in the production, there's a big tree here, I said, it's by Norman Walker himself. So, yeah. And under that is, or inside that is the bride, played by Miss Monica Can.
Thank you.